Hey everyone, I've been working super hard and as fast as I can to get this one out before Halloween, but we've been working on our fun little Super Simples kits, and we have all 10 of those completed. But I wanted to show you because I had so many people asking for a printed option, because I know that some of you don't have a printer that you love. So I went ahead and I have this published through Amazon, and I have the link for you down below, but it's now available. And anyway, it costs about or a little less than if you buy all of the digital kits, and it comes printed and everything. So it has in here, let me give you the quick run through. It tells a little bit, a little quick note for me, and then just kind of general instructions. It has the YouTube link or the search terms to use to find the YouTube video that will show you how to make each kit. And so there are 10 of these, and each one has its own little link and everything. So, and then on the back of that YouTube picture, I printed a coordinating paper, so you can fold that, use it as a tag, back it with cardstock, and cut it up to make some extras to go with this or whatever you want. But that's just extras. So you have to be careful on some of these because they are really close, but you have room to get in there past the seam so that they're not trimmed off. But they're close, but that's okay. They work, I promise. So let's see, here's Super Simple 1, and on the backs of every paper, I just put a grungy kind of neutral, so that in case there's some that you're gonna actually see the back of, like if you just cut this out, then on the back of it, it will still look grungy and cool. So, and this is all the pages that you're gonna need for that first kit, which is, oh, I don't have it here. I don't think it's this one. I don't have it. Oh, yes, I do. It's this one. So this is all the pieces that you need to make this fun little kit. All right, so hopefully that makes sense. Then I go through and I have that with every kit. So here is number 2 with our owls. And the number 3 is kind of the spiders and skulls. It's really cool. And number 4, we have bats. Super fun. Number 5 is the masquerade ball. So you can just kind of see the pieces included. Lots of journaling in this one. And number 6. Oh, that's this one. I have that one here. This is the flip out page where it all comes out and out. Anyway, so it has all the pieces for this. This is a matte paper, so it's not shiny. Anyway, it's a good quality. It's, to me, a little thicker than like my normal printer paper, so it's a nice high quality paper. And it has everything you need. There's number 7, our witch kit. And 8 is the haunted house. So you can see there's like some house themed stuff in there. And number 9 is Edgar Allan Poe with the raven. And last but not least, we have number 10, which is our black cat theme, which turned out really cute too. Anyway, so it has, these really are beautiful prints. I hope it does it justice on camera. It never really does, but they're beautiful. And these Super Simples have just been so fun. So anyway, I hope that if you don't have a great printer, that you know that you can just get on and have these options available for you. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this listed, get it up, get a link for you, and hopefully you can get it and have some fun before Halloween. So thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.